BTC recalibrates after Fed cut as AI correlation deepens, says Nansen. Bitcoin, Federal Reserve. Nansen. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Part of the team since February 2018. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin. Has also written. Bitpanda and EurocoinPay sign deal to expand regulated crypto access in Spain. Coinbase UK CEO predicts stablecoins will enter mainstream payment infrastructure by 2026. Bitcoin selling pressure eases as exchange inflows drop. CryptoQuant. Strategy challenges MSCI plan to exclude digital asset treasury firms from key indexes. Buterin to Musk. Turning X into a weaponized hate platform could backfire on free speech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 14 minutes ago. Crypto markets are stabilizing after the Federal Reserve's latest rate cut, with traders reassessing how a more data-dependent policy path may influence liquidity conditions heading into early 2026. According to a new note from on-chain analytics firm Nansen, the combination of revised forward guidance, fresh liquidity tools, and shifting cross-asset dynamics has created a more complex environment for digital assets. Earlier today, Bitcoin briefly rallied above $92,000 before retreating, mirroring broader volatility across risk markets following the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting. Aurelie Barthere, principal research analyst at Nansen, said markets were braced for a rate cut paired with hawkish messaging, but instead received a cut accompanied by uncertain, data-dependent guidance. The Fed's introduction of T-bill purchases and removal of the cap on the standing repo facility added to the perception of a potential liquidity boost in the first quarter of 2026. AI stocks drive BTC's latest pullback. Bitcoin's post-FOMC dip occurred alongside sharp moves in large US AI names following Oracle's earnings release. Barthere notes that while the AI sector continues to post strong earnings and capex growth, valuations have climbed to levels that are increasingly difficult to justify as 2026 approaches. She added that BTC has shown rising correlation with AI-themed equities, a relationship she expects to persist. I expect that relationship to continue until we see a more meaningful sell-off that fully cleans valuations in the sector, she said. As long as AI stocks react sharply to earnings surprises or guidance revisions, BTC is likely to echo those swings. Key resistance at $91,000 as positioning stays stretched. From a technical and market structure perspective, Barthere emphasized $91,000 as the dominant resistance level for BTC. Sustained trading above that mark for several weeks would be needed to confirm a renewed uptrend. However, the derivatives markets are showing stretched positioning with open interest in both futures and options at record highs. Elevated leverage increases the risk of abrupt moves if sentiment shifts or liquidity thins. Heading into year-end, traders are holding considerable downside protection. Options imply a 48% probability that BTC reclaims $91,000, and futures funding rates remain only mildly positive, suggesting leveraged longs are not aggressively dominating. 2026 outlook. Bullish options. Risk of disappointment. Looking further ahead, Nansen notes that options markets are structurally bullish for 2026, reflecting expectations for improved liquidity, macro stability, and continued institutional inflows. However, Barthere cautioned that such positioning could prove vulnerable if economic data or earnings trends fail to meet optimistic assumptions. With markets recalibrating, traders will be watching how liquidity dynamics evolve and whether BTC can break cleanly above resistance to regain upward momentum. In September, Nansen announced the launch of Nansen AI, a mobile agent designed to transform how investors and traders interact with blockchain data. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. $100 million whale dump hits just before breakout. Can retail buying stop the bleed? XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. XRP price prediction. $716 million floods into crypto funds. Why are institutions quietly buying XRP right now? Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Solana by the end of 2025. 22 hours ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. Live Bitcoin price reacts to Fed's 25 BPS rate cut. Will Powell's guidance shift crypto markets? 1 day ago, by Anas Hassan. Bitcoin news. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin playbook backfires on 100-plus companies. 4 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 7 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 7 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 13 hours ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago, by Ben Beto.